G'day guys, Ninja and Jerrick on the table here.
Hey.
Going to do a really quick treatment on Jerrick. He's got a massage all day today and he's a bit sore and tight through here. So we're going to do a bit of work on him. So I'm just going to get good purchase there and hold it for a bit. I've got a little bit of wax on my hand already, but not much because I want to do more of a stroke on this one to kind of lengthen it out rather than just pin. But we've got to get that initial depth that we want to get to, connection in with his tendons. I can feel when I roll a little bit, I can feel that. You can feel that, man?
Yeah.
So if I kind of bear into that bit, that's
Ooh.
the one you need.
I think that's the money.
That's the money spot there. So I'm just going to hold that and try and, you know, encourage it through. I only got a short amount of time, so
Bang for your buck.
get bang for your buck. You kind of feel like you wanted that lengthened out a bit through your tricep.
Yeah, I feel like when these gets compressed, it feels like my arm doesn't feel fully attached to, like in the socket.
Oh, really?
It feels like it's too sucked in or...
Yeah, this is the one that you hurt?
Yeah, correct, yeah. So this is something that I've got to manage on once in a while.
Yeah. Build up of like scar tissue and gunk.
Yeah, exactly.
Like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Got to maintain your strength work because you don't want it to come out of the socket.
Yeah,
type of thing, you know?
Got to create that supportive environment for the shoulder.
Yeah. I'm starting to work through that tricep now.
It's feeling really good.
Can feel I'm starting to go through it. Yeah, starting to move, but it was important that I made that got in that initial depth so that I can kind of maintain that depth and go through kind of at the rate that's your body's allowing me to do it. So I can just feel some good stuff in there. Just going to cruise through there, create some flow.
Yeah, that's really good.
So we've got like a snail pace that we go at. Whoa, feel something roll over. That feel all right though?
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's good.
So we're kind of pressing his arm into his face a bit.
That's all right.
Yeah. But now I can feel like I can do more of a massage stroke through the tricep there, try and really stretch it out. Whereas when we're in the tendon area, we sort of more just had to hold and wait for that to unravel. So that, I'm kind of going through with the heel of my hand, but in the middle bit, it's kind of going through the center of that tricep. Can capture that. In there. So I'm just going to cruise through that a bit. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yep. Stay on it. There. Like that. So I'm just going to cruise through a bit. I can feel that wants to flick, but I'm not going to let it. Saying that, all right. It's bucking me off a bit. So I'm going to come out of there slowly.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. So we're going to do down through here. So I've got to connect in. I might be able to hold his arm a bit to make it a bit softer through his lat. Yeah. And then we can kind of just floss it once we're in there though. But I'll just wait on it first. I can change an angle.
Oh, yep.
So just depending on what angle, about there.
Yeah.
That one feels good.
Yeah.
So you can kind of just soften it a bit, get in deeper, and then just do some little flossing kind of movements. Trying to encourage that length so I can change angles, building his elbow back, and really try and lengthen that out. So yeah, just cruising through that lat a bit more now. Create that length. Now, yeah. Try and negotiate all the little nooks and crannies. Not be too overwhelming for you. Yeah, it's starting to shift and move, stretch.
Yeah, it feels very therapeutic.
Yeah.
Tender some spots, but it's definitely hitting all the right spots that I feel like I need some work on.
Yeah.
I even felt a few twitches all along those lines, which is good.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, man.
Feels good.
So, there you go. If your mate's a bit tight through his triceps and lats,
Yeah.
he's got to do a bunch of work. Help him out. Do a bit of treatment on them and yeah, help them on their way.
Yes, please.
There you go.
That's good.
All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, do all that kind of stuff. Look into our courses, look into us in general. We're cool. Done.